Abusuya ahaye Ghana Diaspora TV na mekai wo se obe subscribe na wa share na afoforo nso enya bi ahwe
airport so woloku hu Akwaaba so woloku wo Ghana ha Akwaaba wonte mo lokodo wo Ghana ha Akwaaba na ogbo Kotoka no woloku hu once sa Akwaaba no wonye no Oobake once sa no wonye
Abusuya Akwaaba ni Oobake ho nsɛmsɛm ye breaking it down ohwɛ obi fra konti omo ba enkrafo no se de ye omo hini se asantefo no edikete ne alade bebom ebe kira do wa wo ho ahọ na mo de be hia obi kwan no mu hu ana mu nsunu mu na etwa omo yam kra enti sa de a airport no ye na esi asase so sa Akwaaba no kra ibe yi afiri won aye no Oobake abusuya mo ma ye nko ne nkotie de nkofo ka na enye ize adane ntoko o adane ntokwa
na den na ekoso wa akra no enemremu tribalism de mimi minti enemremu tribalism abra ya wo afrafra me say mimi ye pepe ni mi kunu nye bi ya wo afrafra de ni nam Ghana ha ni nkran ha ni baby ai mu gina ho ye tribalism se den se Akwaaba ne ensesa ne nye ne den mu ho ye den na mu wonyansa na mu pe ntokwa akwanka alatafo na mu ba be bie ye fre ne sen nipa kunkum empire nipa kunkum friend say kingdom me want to me aso me hu nipa baaku say from sankrofo no hono so mo ba be ka bi enya asansefo na be gina aso gigigigigigigigigigig with other people bi me mom de me hu nkrani bi a okasa asem ni bi what ya say ntum won tokwa bi ku a ibofo ne si omo ye yi ya yam festival next month mo won tokwa bi ku a save that energy and use it for santokwano because enu ene wo se ye nku na nye se ye aye hu ne ebeku na ye mu bi mu nso de ejimi de anu ye hyiu said den
ya me ne wo kasei ugoduru Ghana airport ni Kwame Nkrumah museum obi e kan wa se mo Oobake se Akwaaba no adane Oobake
lele
maybe say Oobake se uba airport ye nyina ye nim Akwaaba wezolo yesi anwura ni bia obefi anwura ma obeti nkrai ubeka wezo no ye bechewo this oka Oobake
Oobake
a greater Grand regional minister obano a okọ Vetian ye enu na ya na meka no when the 5 minutes pe kra wo we should have interrogated her well to know what is happening. Sao Bay and Ablekumanov, who is the to vote? What's the Muslim Kotobi?
Akwaaba, Nananum, and the people of Ghana. Me chiamo. America for chiamo. Now you have shown me what Akwaaba really means. Thank you so much.
Obi tinkran na o say seven prediasa ye kun e na Ghana kasa e na we yewe e na we asante na ye dey enya no ni mpuntuo no enya no no oman nko animu no enya den na beboa oman no enya no ntina mampani beto ye jimi ye mum na this time ye jimi kwa na no mo di nyansa de do mo kra to ho ya ade ma ye no e wo se ye di nyansa so me ye bo ho ba ni nkwan ye befa so a ye nyina be ka bom enka Ghana de ye kro ne kra ye wo hefa enti baba ya ra sa wonya asante ni o ense ye de to baba ya ra ma said ye nuanu semfo be won say enkofo ye no omutie wo monyanyi mu na mu ka nipa bom omo pewodo sabi o obi na eme kan kire wo sa asante do nipa moshi zongo dogomoro yarewa anraga abinchi nke ebetuma asasa no anya no na di mpuntu obebra asante man yo enhira asante man nya no wanya omo no de adwembone ahye omutiri mu na nso nya no na nyamehwe sade na nka ye fun se kasa nka akwahia Ghana ho de ke ka Akwaaba akwasi buoni di onima ya Akwaaba ukwa buochi akwasi buoni woni mhwe kwa na nya Akwaaba na ye nya na ntwidicha ene asantefo ene wotan we no moma ye nya asanyi mu no amfie nkosi baabia.
That if we're going to drop English today and pick a national language, it should be Twi. Yes.
I've said it again here. And I pray all other tribes, let's be patient. Let's be honest. Have you traveled up north before to Hamile? If you're not speaking the language they are speaking there, trust me, if you speak Chi, you survive. You get somebody who will understand you. Go to the Volta region. If you don't understand Ewe, speak Chi, somebody will be able to. But if you speak Gan, nobody. It will be difficult. It will be difficult. But speak Chi, you will definitely get somebody who will respond. Go everywhere in Ghana. You see, maybe because of their central location, they're in the heart of Ghana. Look at where Kumasi is located. When you look at the map of Ghana, when they are spreading, they go upward, they come downward, they go all around. So maybe geographically it's been advantageous for them, and through intermarriages and business and trade and everything, they've managed to spread across the length and breadth of the country. You understand?
Good.
So it's a very large group of people, and when you have a large group of people pushing or understanding or interacting with your work of art, it makes it easier for it to trend. That is why when you go to the predominant Gan communities, there are big stars there. Look, I hear the Kakalika man passed. If it is true, God bless us.
Yes, Adolf Tego passed. Yeah, I think about a week ago, or a week or two ago. Yeah, Adolf Tego passed.
Adolf Tego, we are mentioning here. A lot of people do not know Adolf Tego, but I can tell you for sure, in the Gan communities, Adolf Tego was more popular than Sarkodie.
Oh yeah.
Airport so woloku Akwaaba so woloku wo Ghana ha Akwaaba. One time woloko do Ghana ha. Akwaaba na ogbo Kotoka no woloku ho. Ghana full kwa Akwaaba no ho. Once sa Akwaaba no wonye no Oobake. Once sa no wonye no Nkanfo na kasem. Ije dem botoboto. Ghana fu per tribalism na yidodo. Eyi so woko ho. Akwaaba na ogbo ofit pepe no. Ye na kojo ho no. Ban wenhu de oda way no Oobake. Akwaaba so woko ho na wana wo sala na pe wedidede. Wo se Kumasi funanka woko chowe Oobake wo Kotoka International the first time ka won jintum. Into oda wo sesedi no. Na baba yare no ehwan din. Met na ho na obi frema benba. What's the Akwaaba no wo Kotoka no. Wo pada wo sesa na wo ye no Oobake. What do you think? What do you think? Na men think abede. Akwaaba no son one baby Sam the what do you think? Na me think am wana. I'm not think am Ghana.
Mopa Ghana ekuro Ghana no. Edin Ghana no mopa mo sesa no. Emfanye eye mukuro mudin. Bibia no betimi ama akanfo abre aseda. Akwaaba no eye akanfo sebi yakasa. Ghana ye pe omo doso ewo Ghana eye akanfo se munimo a Ghana ye pe nkofuku a omo doso ewo Ghana asase ne so a eye akanfo etino boni be ne wom se ye di edin Akwaaba no ebebo ho boni be ne wom abra Akwaaba no ene ukowiase afana ba bia Akwaaba no yaje atum enya modie na mode bekwa akobọ ho no ene besesa bibio ensesa hwe
enkanfo no moye mmoa enkanfo no moye mmoa muntie miye mesede moye mmoa mo nhye video no magama nche enkanfo no mesede moye mmoa stupid people Akwaaba what you say Ghana ni a waba broche bia bisa no obi a wo no bo odin se ofri Ghana na oba bisa o se te sen Akwaaba mo kasa no what you say enkran kuro na akura intime sarande kuro no mu wie e de ntini emfa mu kasa na enkoto airport say I be kura mi refi kasa no me ba be me ka kire mo masa mu mienya jimi no mu gukuro mu na adwoma amakwasea no eni Oobake asisa mo nsa asisa o mu critique ndom ho matimi akopam mo ade ye very very important a ebema da achi mo na nanom ne mo nkura anom a mo wo mo no o mu bedane ahoho wo mo am nsa asiso. That is the most important issue as a mo tackle enye jimi de mo ye na chese mo ye mo amunsia santefo oba asante region ye o mosi zongo mosifo ene ye de omudi atokuro no so ye wo I Mfanti New Town, Mfantefo di na daso, Mfantefo na guo asantini di ankasai. Oko Baba Yara Sports Stadium, I return na to airport in so airport in Dina. Asantini bi ankasa efom ho enyo masem omunsa ase no mo bo ho ban mo de ma jimi ade ye very important mo nwene ho nkwasiafo gamanche ade no ma jimi sa mo de mo nya nipa na dokono na magi no afam trim dokono no fante dokono no mo youth nya adwuma nya the capital are supposed to have the jobs to employ the smaller towns and the villages. The capital no mo nyina mo madan junkie boys na mugu on clanfo nyina langas na mo ye mo sori a nkwasiafo obi sini dan anu makugu na mo ba ye be stop ye manunsi obi say friend Oobake say nkwasia din we masa.
And then the reason why I'm in support of the guns is I'm not saying that I'm solely in support, but because the Akwaaba sounds nice. Like everyone Uko baby,
definitely.
Uko baby, when you go to Germany, USA,
everyone
knows Ghana with Akwaaba.
Actually, that it is an international thing.
It's an international thing.
Everybody comes to Ghana. The first thing you learn is Akwaaba.
That one, yeah. So it's a nice word though. But to take what is yours is what I support with the guns because Uko. Kumasia, the airport there, you don't see Oobake for there. You don't see Wezo for there because when you go to the Ibe land also, Uko friend is saying, oh, what be the name? Wezo, for there. You don't understand where they come from. So if you see Wezo for
then
you see what be the name? Akwaaba for Kumasi. Why should the same Akwaaba be in the Ghana?
In the Ghana, yeah.
A very good afternoon, Ghana. I thought the Akwaaba sign at the Kotoka International Airport, which has brought about all these talks, was something paid for by the Ghana government as the official welcome sign to all who enter the country. But I was wrong. I just checked the picture of the Akwaaba again today. And I realized that it is a space at the airport bought by MTN, a private company, for their advert. So the Ghana state, this your fight is dead on arrival. This one is dead. This fight doesn't hold water. Truth be told, this your fight. That Akwaaba should be changed to Oobake. It doesn't hold water. MTN is a private company. They have the right to choose every word, any word for an advert. You can't choose for them. Because Ghana is a democratic state. If you want the Ghana state, if you feel Oobake, a Ghana word for welcome should also be represented at the airport. Just buy the advertising space. It's as simple as ABCD. This thing shouldn't bring an argument. This shouldn't even start a press conference. Truth be told, this is an advert by a private company and not government property.